Zsa Zsa Gabor, the jet-setting Hungarian actress who made a career out of multiple marriages, conspicuous wealth, and jaded wisdom about the glamorous life, has died. She was 99. Her husband, Prince Frederick von Anhalt, says Gabor died Sunday of a heart attack at her Bel Air home. She had suffered numerous medical issues after breaking her right hip in July 2010. Gabor came to the United States around World War II with her mother and sisters. Starting in the 1940s, Gabor rose from beauty queen to millionaire's wife to major public character. She appeared in films ranging from Moulin Rouge in 1952 to Queen of Outer Space in 1958, but Gabor was best known for her many love affairs and tabloid scandals. Christopher, Associated Press.